Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to remove your credit card from Shopify? Maybe you are closing your store or switching payment methods. In this quick video, I will show you exactly how to delete or change your billing information on Shopify in 2025. First of all, you need to log into your Shopify store admin. Once you are in, click on the Settings tab at the bottom left of your dashboard. Inside Settings, click on Billing. Here you will see all your payment methods, billing history, and current subscription. If you only have one card on file, you can't remove it directly unless you either add a new card or choose your store completely. To choose cards, just click replace credit card, enter your new card information and save it. To remove your card completely, scroll down and click pause or deactivate store. Then follow the steps to close your account. Shopify will remove your billing information after deactivation. Important notes: Shopify charges monthly, so make sure you have cancelled any plans before removing your card. If you are on a free trial and haven't picked a plan, no charges will happen and you won't need to remove a card. And that's how you delete and update your credit card on Shopify in 2025. If this helped, leave a like and comment below. If you need help with anything else, subscribe for more quick Shopify tips. Thanks for watching.